Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will be doing a Soft and So Squishies collector guide and all the squishies that you can collect in the Soft and So Squishies. So, there Series 1 is Sweet Shop, Series 2 is Animal Pals, Series 3 is Fun Foods, and Series 4 is Gross Desserts. And I'm going to be sharing all of the squishies that you guys can collect so you can have them in your collection. So, let's get started. So this is what the paper of squishies look like. So this is the first page, second page, and let's just share them all with you. So the first one that you can collect in the Sweet Shop, Series 1, a strawberry donut, chocolate donut, cherry Swiss roll cake, chocolate roll cake, strawberry s'more, mint ice cream cone, cherry ice cream cone, which is new, a blackberry ice cream cone, banana, strawberry heart cake, chocolate heart cake, pistachio cream puff, berry cupcake, blackberry cupcake, and a raspberry cupcake. Those are just all read to you is original. Now I'm gonna go on to the mega of the Series 1 blueberry cupcake, cherry cupcake, pomegranate cupcake, a grape cupcake, a mango tart, which is rare, chocolate chip cookie, a chip cookie, a berry heart cake, an icing heart cake, a berry cream puff, which is rare, a grape berry cupcake, which is rare, a brownie, strawberry ice cream sandwich, strawberry cream puff, raspberry cream puff, macaroons, cotton candy macaroons, berry brownie, papaya berry tart, ice cream sandwich, strawberry tart, and that. Then the super of the Sweet Shop, of the Series 1 Sweet Shop, is pistachio ice cream cone, sherbet ice cream cone, berry ice cream cone, which is new, mocha ice cream, which is new, a strawberry brunette cake, which is new, berry brunette cake, raspberry s'more, which is new, a banana chocolate pie slice, which is rare, strawberry banana layer cake, which is rare, strawberry chocolate s'more, which is rare, a strawberry layer cake, a strawberry cherry layer cake, which is new, lemon pie slice, mango pie slice, which is new, berry cheesecake, which is new, strawberry cheesecake, banana chocolate slice cake, which is new, s'more lemon tart, which is rare, a chocolate ice cream waffle cake, which is rare. Sorry about the background noise, that's my dog barking because nobody's in there. So then the blueberry ice cream waffle cup, a bubblegum ice cream waffle cup, which is new, a strawberry ice cream waffle cup, which is new, a cherry ice cream cup waffle cup, which is new, a chocolate tart, a lavender tart, which is new, a strawberry pretzel, and a lemon slice cake. Then ultra of the Series 1 Sweet Shop is moon mist ice cream cone, raspberry ice cream cone, banana strawberry ice cream cone, strawberry ice cream cone, candy ice strawberry cone, candy ice cream cone, a chocolate pretzel, raspberry brunette cake, a lavender brunette cake, which is new, a pineapple brunette cake, which is rare, strawberry cinnamon roll, which is rare, and I actually have the I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's Lalek cinnamon bun, and it's a purple one, which I'll show you at the end of the video. I have a strawberry pie slice, a cherry pie slice, cherry slice cake, which is new, a kiwi strawberry cake slice, which is new, mango strawberry cake slice, which is new, a PB&J sandwich, chocolate and jelly sandwich, berry pancakes, strawberry heart cupcake, chocolate heart cupcake, a hazelnut heart cupcake, a berry heart cupcake, a berry tart Lotus layer cake and a bubblegum layer cake, which is new. Then we have the Jumbo Series 1 sweet shop, which is raspberry cheese cake slice, a strawberry cupcake, a mixed ice waffle cup, a berry pie double ice cream cone, a cookie s'more, berry ice cream waffle cup, which is rare, strawberry cheesecake, which is rare, and all of these are rare. That in the last column is rare. All these in the column are rare. So if you're wondering that in the comments, they're all rare. A strawberry cookie s'more, which is rare, like I told you. A bubblegum ice cream cone and a lavender cup strawberry cone, which those two are rare too. Now we're going to move on to the Ultra Series 4 gross dessert. So there's only 6 to collect in the Series 4 gross dessert. Let's just get on to it. A disgusting donut, an ice cream cone. So it has like a little eye in it. An ice cream cone. I'm sorry if you can't hear it. Sorry if you can't see it well, because my printer messed up on the whole thing. So an eye cupcake, a bug cupcake, a finger pie, and a cockroach cake. I would never buy any of those because I find it disgusting, but eventually I'll have them in my collection of Soft and So Squishies collected. So, now we're going to move on to the Jumbo Series 3 Fun Foods. So a hot dog, pizza, taco, popcorn, hamburger, fries, cheeseburger, which is rare, sweet potato fries, which is rare, candy popcorn, which is rare, and a mustard hot dog, which is rare. Pretty cool, guys. Then we're going to move on to the Jumbo Series 2 Jumbo Animal Pals. So you can collect a kitty donut, koala teacup, kitty ice cream cone, panda ice cream cone, a bear cupcake, a bear cake, a mermaid, which is new, a merkitty, which is new, a spotted narwhal, which is new, a strawberry kitty donut, which is rare, strawberry koala teacup, which is rare, bubblegum kitty ice cream cone, which is rare, a berry panda ice cream cone, which is rare, a great bear cupcake, which is rare, and a berry bear cupcake, which is rare. So I hope you guys like this video, and just to tell you, the Soft and Slow Squishies if you want to find the rares, you have to find the tag with the special holographic sticker and discover the Soft and Slow Squishies with the unique color pattern. So just to tell you guys that. And if you guys wondering what these are, who decided to make the Soft and Slow Squishies, well, try to guess down in the comments. The first one to guess it right will get a shout out in the next video that I will be making. So yeah, bye guys. Hope you liked it.